Looking for the best gaming CPUs to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 4. Intel Core i91 4900K. Is a beast. This chip is built on Intel's tried-and-true Raptor Lake architecture, and while it's technically a refresh, not a full-blown redesign, it still delivers monster performance. We're talking 24 cores, 32 threads, and clock speeds that flirt with 6 GHz out of the box. Gaming-wise, it chews through any LWA title like it's nothing. And it's especially great for streamers or content creators who game and multitask at the same time. But here's the thing, it runs hot, and I mean hot. You're going to need a beefy cooler, preferably a top-tier liquid cooling setup to keep it from melting your rig, and at nearly $590, it's definitely not cheap. But if you want bragging rights and maxed-out performance, the i9 4900K still reigns supreme in Intel's lineup. If you're building a gaming PC on a tight budget but you still want performance that punches way above its price tag, the Number 3. AMD Ryzen 55600 is a game-changer. This chip might not be the flashiest on the market, but don't let that fool you. It's one of the smartest buys you can make in 2025 for pure bang for your buck gaming. Sitting on AMD's tried-and-true M4 platform, the Ryzen 5600 brings a lot to the table. You're getting 6 cores and 12 threads, which gives it a serious edge in modern gaming and multitasking. Whether you're playing esports titles like Valorant or Apex Legends or diving into heavier AAA games, this CPU delivers smooth, consistent performance even when paired with mid-tier or older graphics cards. Now compared to its sibling the Ryzen 5600X, it runs slightly slower out of the box, but in real-world gaming the performance difference is almost negligible. So if you're upgrading an older build or assembling a cost-efficient gaming rig, the Ryzen 5600 is a stellar choice. It delivers dependable power, solid gaming performance, and leaves you enough budget to invest in a better GPU or faster SSD, all without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about AMD's new Number 2. Ryzen 79700X. It may not be the flashiest chip in the Ryzen 9000 lineup, but it's definitely one of the smartest picks for mainstream gamers in 2025. Built on AMD's latest architecture, it brings real efficiency gains, excellent multi-core performance, and solid gaming numbers across the board. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU balances high frame rates with snappy responsiveness for your day-to-day tasks. What makes it shine though is how cool and quiet it runs. You don't need a high-end cooler and you won't be chasing down thermal issues. If you're building a mid-tier gaming PC that can still crush 1440p gaming and handle streaming, video editing, or rendering, the Ryzen 79700X is a fantastic choice. It's priced competitively around $359, and outpaces its older sibling the 7700X in just about every category. And taking the crown at number 1 is the Number 1. Intel Core i51 13600K. This chip is hands down the sweet spot for most gamers. Why? Because it hits that perfect balance between price and performance. With 14 cores, 6 performance and 8 efficiency cores, it offers insane multi-threaded capability for gaming, streaming and multitasking, all at a price under $330. What's even more impressive is how well it handles modern seat title. You can pair it with a mid or high-end GPU and easily hit 1440p or even 4K resolutions depending on your build, plus it's unlocked for overclocking and runs well with standard air or liquid coolers. Whether you're upgrading from an older i5 or building your first gaming rig, the i5 13600K delivers elite-level performance without draining your wallet. It's simply the best all-around CPU for gamers right now. There you have it, the ultimate CPU lineup for gamers in 2025. Whether you're chasing buttery smooth frame rates, multitasking like a pro, or gaming without a graphics card, one of these processors is made for you.